guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be all about how I created and designed my own calendar for 2023. If you follow me on Instagram, you must already know about this, but if you don't, my Instagram link is in the description. I created and designed a dreamer themed calendar for this year, and here are the two covers. It says, "You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one," by John Lennon. And I am so happy to say that it was a huge success and I sold every single copy that I made. So this video is going to be a lot of behind the scenes of how I came up with the idea of the calendar, the whole process that it took, and also a few ASMR packaging clips here and there. So before getting into the video, I just want to say thank you so much for all the support that you guys have been showing to me and this channel, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So going back to the topic of the calendar, I first had the idea to make my own calendar more than a year ago, but I just didn't have the motivation to actually do it. But around the start of December 2022, I started using this sketchbook from Aasthaetics and just made random paintings almost every day. If you don't know my art style, I usually do art journaling and I like to add random quotes to my paintings. So that is what I did, and that's when I thought I could actually use these for a calendar. After that, I made around 20 paintings and selected the ones that I liked most. I also had to think of quotes, and that's when I decided I would make it dreamer themed. That's why all the quotes in there are either dreamy or inspirational. So then I scanned all of my paintings and did a little bit of editing and then added quotes to each one using Photoshop. I also made a thank you card for packaging using Canva, and for the calendar I used Illustrator and added Nepali dates as well. After that, I just exported them and had them printed from a printer shop, and this is how each one turned out. I used high quality photo paper to print everything, and I'm just so happy with how everything turned out. After that, it was time to sort out the packaging materials, and I did not want to make custom stickers because I wanted to use all the different types of washi tapes that I already had. So I would say I didn't really spend much on packaging. I just used everything that I already had. So normally calendars come in either spiral binding or a wall hanging, but I wanted mine to go on a stand. So I had custom wooden easel stands made from a local carpenter. They are 8 inches and I made sure that it was multifunctional so that it can also be used as a phone stand for your desk. After a few changes in the mock print, I had all the calendars printed, and this is where the packaging process started, which was my absolute favorite part, so I hope you enjoy the ASMR parts. Hey guys, it's currently 6 p.m. and it's Christmas Eve, and I've just launched the shop link to the calendar, so I just wanted to film this part because I'm really nervous. It's the first time I'm actually selling something related to my artwork and my ideas, so I don't even know if anyone is gonna buy it, but I'm hoping that some people are gonna buy it. But yeah, I've been preparing to package orders, and I've just been thinking, what if no one buys it and I'm just preparing it for nothing? But I am still hopeful. I got my fingers crossed, and hopefully I will get orders. I'm getting notifications, which is a good thing. So yeah, I just wanted to film this part because I'm really nervous right now. Here are the last two pieces of the calendar left that I have been saving up for my friends who are not here at the moment, but I can't believe these are the last pieces left and I sold every single one. and I just have to thank all of you guys for that, and everyone who bought the calendar. I am just so grateful. I never really thought of selling anything related to my artworks. I only considered making YouTube videos and content for Instagram, so it really feels surreal that all of it got sold out, and I think it's really motivated me to maybe create more products. I don't know, but I hope that this is the beginning of something for me, and there might be a lot more to come in 2023. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to leave a like if you did, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye.